Removing plaque between teeth. No matter how well you brush, you do not remove all the plaque. Toothbrushing does not remove plaque between teeth. So we use TEPE brushes to remove plaque between teeth for larger gaps. We have different sized TEPE brushes to fit small gaps to large gaps between teeth. So you put the TEPE brush between your teeth to remove plaque. You can also use the TEPE brush from the other side, but here the gap is too small. So we use a smaller TEPE brush. Here is a summary. So floss removes plaque between teeth for small gaps where TEPE brushes don't fit. In a person's mouth, plaque builds up between the teeth and the gum crevice. A common mistake flossing is we floss between teeth but leave plaque in the gum crevice with nasty bacteria causing gum disease. So you still have gum disease even after flossing. The solution is to floss down to the gum crevice to remove these nasty bacteria to stop gum disease. You place floss between teeth. Wrap the floss around the back tooth and lift up. Then wrap floss around the front tooth and lift up. We have to floss to the gum crevice. Here we can see green debris at the gum crevice. So we floss all the way down to the gum crevice and lift up, lifting the plaque and debris. You then go again. And it's clean. Then we do the same to the front tooth. A mistake is to not wrap the floss around the tooth, but just to saw the gum. So this doesn't remove plaque. Here is a summary. This is general advice only, so you need to see a dentist or hygienist for guidance with your mouth. Thank you for watching.